If you still find yourself spending large amounts of time manually syncing your audio in Premiere Pro, then this is the video for you. In this tutorial, I'll be sharing a quick trick that will reduce the time you spend on syncing audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. First things first, we need to start out by opening up our project. As you can see here, I have one of my past projects for this channel. I filmed it in 4 parts and I have my video track and the default audio and then my microphone audio as well. To get started with syncing, I'm simply going to move the tracks that I don't need right now away so that I can focus on these 2 for right now. So what we need to do to start off with is select both your video and the audio that you want to sync. We need to right click the clip and we need to choose synchronize. This window is going to pop up. And by default, Adobe tends to have this option selected. But what we need to do is choose audio and change track channel to 1. Once you've done that, you can click OK. And then Adobe is going to process your audio and move your clip along. Now we can move on to the second clip. And it's really as simple as just repeating that process. Again, I'm going to select the 2 clips, right click. I'm going to choose synchronize, make sure it's set to audio, track channel 1, and then choose OK. And it really is as simple as repeating the process. This is if you have multiple clips like me. You may only have 1 clip. And that is basically all there is to it. One tip I will give for auto syncing is it's important that you bring the clip as far back as you possibly can from the point that you need to sync it to. This is because if I bring it forwards and try and sync it this way, instead of moving my video clips, it's going to move the audio clips, which if you're syncing multiple clips, it will make them go out of sync. So when syncing using this method, I do recommend that you base it off of the audio you're trying to sync to and you bring it as far back as you possibly can, and then you choose the synchronize from there. This is just to make sure that you don't mess up your project and it always stays in sync. By using this method, it will significantly decrease the amount of time you spend synchronizing your project, so you can spend a lot more time on making your videos awesome. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.